What's up, everybody? It's Dan and Shay. We are currently holding our very first iHeartRadio Music Award. This means the world to us. Thank you all so much for voting. It means even more knowing that this was a fan-voted award. You guys voted for us and our friend Justin Bieber. Best lyrics. Incredible. Thank you all so much. Shay and I moved to Nashville 10 years ago because we wanted to write songs. Songwriting is such a staple in our community here in Nashville and on Music Row. And for you all to vote for us, to give us this award, this thing is incredible. It feels so good. I'm just going to hug it.
It's good. It's kind of heavy. And this means a lot. And like I said, being with our friend Justin and being here in Dan's studio where we write, most all of our songs. This is very, very special here in Nashville. There's so much respect that we have for all the songwriters here in town. So to get this and to have you guys vote for us is absolutely incredible. And iHeartRadio for always being such great supporters of us. This is amazing, man.
Cheers. I don't want to
break it.
Love you guys.
Thanks.